Jai Hind friends, and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, in this video we will discuss what is data encapsulation. Encapsulation means you are capsulating something inside a closed circle, closed perimeters, or enclosed. You are enclosing or you are setting some boundaries and putting some items inside that boundary, so that the persons in the outside cannot see what's happening in that, within that circle or within that enclosure. That is the one type of encapsulations. So in OOPS concept, encapsulation means you are hiding something, but one way you are telling that I have this in front, these things, means I have TV, I have refrigerators, I have kitchen appliances, but nobody knows how it functions. Nobody knows. Yes, that is the appliances. Yes, there is a television. Yes, there is a computer. Yes, there is some refrigerators, but the person outside the house does not know how to operate that one. It might be the same model, it might be the different models. Then how it's operate, that all the functionalities, either the owner knows, or the operator, or the person who can access that premises can understand how it operate. So the two persons, either owner who created or the person who has access to that premises, know how these persons know how to how to operate those appliances. So the same concept applies here, that is in data encapsulations. Data encapsulation in programming language, that is data hiding. You are hiding something within your class. Okay, so that is the data encapsulations. Data encapsulations in, I can say that you have data members. Data members means variable, integer, string parameters, constants, whatever in your, you define that is the data members. And functions, some private, there may be private functions, there may be some public functions, there are some friendly functions. Okay, so these are the things you have to hide from the outside access. Okay, outside access, if you are declaring public access, public members, public data members, public functions, then outside users can access those members. But if you are declaring it's private, so only the person who can permission can access either your derived classes, or child classes, or your friend classes, or some the internal members. So those persons can access these functions, not the all members. Suppose I have two classes. Okay, in a class I declared public method. Okay, in a class A I have declared some public method. In class B I want to access the data and information from class A. So in class B, what will the things I can access? The things that are public in domain. Okay, so these are the things you can access. But if it's private, then class B does not have permission, so that it will not access the data. So ultimately the thing is that data members and functions are hidden in a class and circles. Okay, in a class member it hides the things it has. Okay, that depends on the how you are going to implement your classes. Just like your premises, house premises, you have home appliances, you have kitchen appliances. Okay, the manual you have that shows the how it will operate, but the persons outside your house premises does not know how it operates, your home appliances or kitchen appliances. So same concept is just like that. The bright example of data hiding is the class. In Objective-C, basically you know about that. In Objective-C, there are two files when you are creating a project class. It generates two files. One is header file and another is implementation file. Header file, you can say that is the interface file. You can say whatever you can say, it's an interface or abstract class, or basically it's an interface. That is, it declares the method name. It declares or you are declaring or that this method or this data members will use in the implementation file. So those are the information you are putting in your header files. Okay, so just like you in the key, without key or without permission you will not access these data members or functions. So you need to this one. Let me show you how it will. So as I say that look at this. Okay, this is the data member. Okay, this is the functions. Just I told you that these are the functions, but it wraps under a one class, that is summation. Okay, so if in for public that okay, this is the data members and these are the functions, but they does not know how it works, get total, how add member works, how the initial numbers, how it's implemented. The implementation part is totally hidden from the users. Okay, they will know these informations only, these three and this one, these four only they can see that okay, these are the informative. In the implementation part, look at this. What is the number is initialized? Okay, initialized number I have assigned and assigned to the total sum. That is the, you can say that that is the total number. Okay, and in the add number, what I added, that total number is called total number plus new number. So every time you are adding a number, it will add the existing total number with new number, and get total number means you are getting the total number. So this part is hidden from public, these part are hidden from public, these parts. But what will public will what is the visual part to the public is the or user, that is the okay, get total, add numbers, and this one. Okay, so okay, demo class 3, right? Look at this. Okay, as import, demo class 3 is the demo class 3. Okay, I'll just copy that one. What is the summation? So it is the records this. Failed. Why you are failing? Oh. Building, fast. Too slow. Okay, got you. Look at this. What I can access? Add number, initialize with number, and get total. So these are the visible to the user. Means right now I am the user. Okay, but for me, what is hidden? That is how add number works, how init with initial number works, how get total function works. So this is the data encapsulation. Means it hides the data informations. That this is called data hiding. Means it hides the data members, it hides the implementation part of functions, or initialization of the data members. Here I have added 5, I have added 4. Okay, you can guess that this is the add number, this is the number, but how it works you don't know, right? So how it works? Look at this add number. This is the information that encapsulation, data encapsulation works here. This is the information that hides from user. This is the information that hides. This is the information that hides. So this is the way how data encapsulation works. So data encapsulation works in a way that it hides the implementation part, data initialization part from users. Okay. So this is the piece of information I am to share with you. So see you in the next video. See you soon. Thank you.